Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup OBDLink data using OBD Auto Doctor, full guide step by step clearly. To backup your OBDLink data using OBD Auto Doctor, start by connecting your OBDLink device to your vehicle's OBD2 port. Once connected, launch the OBD Auto Doctor application on your smartphone or computer. Ensure that your OBDLink device is recognized by the app. If this is your first time using the application, you may need to complete the device setup process. Once your OBDLink is connected, navigate to the Data or Logs section within the app. Select the specific data or log files you wish to backup. If you want to backup all data, look for an option to select all files. After selecting the desired files, find the Export or Backup option in the menu. Choose the export format that best suits your needs, such as CSV, XML, or JSON. Select the destination folder on your device where the files will be saved. Confirm the backup process by tapping the OK or Export button. Wait for the export to complete, which may take a few moments depending on the amount of data. Once completed, navigate to the destination folder to ensure the data files have been saved correctly. If needed, create additional copies of the backup files for extra protection. You can now safely disconnect your OBDLink device from the vehicle. Your OBDLink data backup is now complete and ready for future reference or analysis. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.